Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Keeping Chrome updated is one of the simplest ways to ensure you have the latest features and, most importantly, critical security patches. Here's how to manually check for and install updates on your Windows PC. First, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Chrome. Navigate down to Help, and then select About Google Chrome. This will open a new tab that automatically begins checking for updates. If an update is available, it will start downloading immediately. You'll see the current version number and the progress of the update. Once downloaded, you'll see a button that says Relaunch. Click it to restart Chrome and apply the update. Make sure you've saved any work in open tabs first. They will automatically restore when Chrome reopens. Pro tip: for most users, Chrome updates automatically in the background. But if you haven't closed your browser in a while, you might see a colored icon, like green or orange, in the top right corner near the three dots. That means an update is pending a restart. Staying updated helps protect you from security vulnerabilities and ensures compatibility with your favorite websites. If you found this tip helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more straightforward tech guidance. Thanks for watching.